Yan. Huwag kang kakabahan, Nico. Ako kinakabahan sa'yo eh.
Radio swims in a static haze. Night takes off like a bullet train. Embers red in an honest sky. Go all in and you don't ask why. Oh, you're like an earthquake inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Pull me in close, light me up like summer. Stars will burn out long before we do.
Paiyakin. Wala kaming tissue dala for her. Ay, meron.
Love hits me and I hold my breath. Feels
Nico, panibagong dito ng buhay ngayon yan. Lahat na pong pagsubok darating dyan, lahat naman ng problema yung nare-resolve yan. Dadaan talaga sa buhay yan. Sa hapon o sa anumang araw na yan, kailangan magkakasundo pa rin kayo palagi. Magmahala kayo palagi, ha? Yan yung pinaka-importante.
Napakaganda ng kanyang pagbabahagi sa atin ng kanyang pag-ibig. Una sa lahat, we gathered together as one people of God. And you are the center of this celebration, but it is the heart of the love of God which matters today.
Free shipping lang yan. Yari ka mamaya, boy!
Inside of me. Oh, it's like I'm learning how to breathe. Oh,
Ayan. O, tara na. Parang comedy. Wala. Nasa sticky note. Parang see you later na lang din. Thank you, babe. I'll see you later.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those stars and hearts too vast to climb.
Today, as I marry you, I give you all of me. My love, my trust, and my promise.
So, yun, masahaba ako pa rin ang pasensya ko, syempre. Hindi pwedeng ganun lagi. Tsaka sa huli, tayo lang din naman ang magkakampi.
Plano na ng Panginoon na pagtagpuin kayo upang sa pamamagitan ng inyong pag-iibigan ay mas lalalim, maging makabuluhan ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa.
Rose Ann, your friendship means the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life. And I can't imagine getting married without you. Love, Team.
Thank you so much, babe. Sa dami mong friends, kami napili mo to be part of your special team. And thank you for the gifts. So cute. Thanks, Thank you, babe.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I So we'll dance on the wings of forever. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Nico at Mary Christina Antoinette, ngayong araw na ito marahil para sa inyo ang pinakamahalagang sandali ng inyong buhay, the grace that God is giving you today. Nagbinigay ng Diyos yan sa inyo, pangalagaan ninyo. Sapagkat yan ang binigay ng Panginoon, alam niyang magiging masaya kayo bilang mag-asawa. Mary Christine, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Nico na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at pakaalituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Nico, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Mary Christine Antoinette na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at pangalituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father. Mula din ngayon, siyempre gusto ko na maging mabuting asawa sa'yo. Lagi kong sisikapin na maging mabuti ako kinabukasan. Laging hindi kita pababayaan pagka nagkaroon tayo ng sarili nating pamilya. Gusto ko maging magandang example tayo sa magiging anak natin.
And now, we are finally getting married. And I'm so excited, babe. We can now do whatever we want. My love, first of all, thank you for everything. This is it. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin na araw with our loved ones. Sa dami ng mga pinagdaanan, pinag-awayan, masasaya at malungkot na, kinaya natin at kakayanin pa. I will always choose you, not just today, but every day of our lives.
Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken.
Christine, kailanman ay di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Nico, kailanmay, di kita pagtataksilan. Isuot mo at pakiingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know.
Excited na ako sa magiging future natin. Sa beautiful life and family we will build together. Thank you, babe, for believing in me and loving me every day. I love you.